All right, if you're just joining me, this is Mrs. Scales doing the Balloon Lab. If you missed today's Zoom meeting and you didn't get to see it, or let's just say you came in the meeting late or something and you didn't see a part of it, I'm going to recreate it here so that you can just rewatch it. So for this Balloon Lab, we're studying to see how water affects fire. You may have some prior knowledge about this already, because I know whenever there's a fire, the first thing you want to do is pour water on it. So today I have an air balloon, okay, just regular air that came from my lungs. I also have a regular water balloon, okay, just came from the MICS faucet. And then I have a grill lighter that I'm going to hold and light the balloons under for at least 30 seconds, okay, so you can see my fire. And then I have my safety goggles, so you definitely want to cover your eyes for this in case something explodes. All right, I'm going to get a trash can right quick. All right, so the first thing is I want you to make sure you fill out your hypothesis for each one. What do you think is going to happen to the air balloon? And what do you think is going to happen to the water balloon? Make sure you go and fill that in. Pause this video so that way the results are not ruined for your hypothesis. All right, let's go ahead and get started. If you have your hypothesis filled in, the next step is to do your experiment. We always do that after the hypothesis in the scientific method. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and light this so you can see my fire. All right, so big pop there, probably what you expected. It does pop the balloon. Now let's do the water balloon and see what would happen. All right, so I'm going to show you what happened here. If you look, the bottom of the balloon is covered in this ash that can just like spread off of it there. It's just the burnt part of the rubber. So I want you to think about what happened here. The water is basically protecting the balloon's latex so it doesn't burn where it pops a hole into it. So it just kind of burns the fire on it, but it puts out the fire with the water. So, and the reason why is because water always absorbs heat. This is why when you want to cool off in the summertime when you jump into a swimming pool or a lake, because water absorbs your body heat and it makes you cool down. Same reason why we sweat. Sweat cools down your skin. The water, when it evaporates, it takes the body heat away with it. Now, if I wanted to pop this balloon, all I would need to do is find the air bubble at the top, which it is here, and then take and put the fire on the air bubble because the water is not there to protect it. So we did this in class today and on Zoom. All right, so if you want to see this water balloon pop, all you do is put it onto that air bubble there. I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. All right, as you can see, it popped the balloon. Now I need to go dry off and you need to do your lab.